Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today we're making mango ice cream. So if you're joining me for the very first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. And this is Juliana, and you're watching Juliana Cooking Channel. So we're making mango ice cream today with warm milk. We warm up the milk in the pot for 10 minutes. We don't heat it up for in a very low heat, just for 10 minutes. You could see me warming the milk right now. So I just covered it up on a very low temperature heat. So here is the mango. I'm gonna cut the mango right now. So I'm using 2 mangoes for today's mango ice cream recipe. So I'm taking out the flesh part of the mango, and I'm gonna scooping it out and putting it in a blending cup. So right now I'm scooping out all of the flesh and the mango. Like I told you, we use just 2 mango for today's recipe. So I'll make sure I scoop the entire flesh out of the mango skin, and I'm gonna be putting it in a blending cup just like I'm doing right now. So I'm putting it in a bowl. Thereafter I'm gonna put it in a blending cup and I'll blend it. So I'm done scooping out the flesh from the skin of the mango. Right now I'm putting it in the blending cup. So I'm gonna be covering the cup, and I'm gonna be blending it. But before then, I'm gonna put in my milk, the boiled milk, not really boiled, it's just warm milk. So I'm gonna be putting it in this in the blending cup. So right now I'm blending the mango and the milk. This is a healthy mango ice cream. No sugar, no artificial flavoring. Everything in this mango ice cream recipe is fresh, is natural, and is healthy. So here is the blended mango and whole milk. So apparently I'm adding half cup or half tin of condensed milk, because our mango, we have a little quantity of mango ice cream. I didn't want to put a whole tin of milk in the in the in the recipe, because then it's gonna be overpowering the recipe with sweetness, and I don't really want that. So I just use half teaspoon tin half tin, I mean to say, not teaspoon, half tin of condensed milk. Right now I'm going to be blending everything together. So everything is blended right now, and it's looking smooth, it's looking nice, it's looking very good. You could see me pouring it in a bowl. So I'm just gonna pour it in a bowl and I'm gonna cover it. I'm covering it with a plastic bag. I'm double layering it. So I'll be putting this in a freezer, and I'll allow it to freeze for like 6 hours, and I'll be bringing it out of the freezer. So here is our mango ice cream. Easy and simple to make. Yeah, here is our mango ice cream, guys. Enjoy. If you've watched up until this moment, subscribe to my channel, give this channel a thumbs up if you haven't done so yet, and bye guys.